Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a little update on my battery project. I actually decided to build myself another one.
And here is the house for the battery. And here are my first battery. It's very heavy, so it has to be where it is. Anyway, you can see that I actually have place for one more battery inside here. So that is what I am going to build. So it will be 36 kilowatt hours worth of power in here, and I think that it will be pretty much just perfect for my needs. And here you can see that I have some cables laying around just to discharge my modules. I don't want them to be charged when I disassemble them, so I actually take them down to just 3 volts. And then I start to disassemble the modules and arrange the cell configuration.
So here we are back in my garage again, and this is the battery tray on my second battery that I am going to build. So it's the rear end of the e-up battery compartment. I have just mount 6 wheels on this one, so it will be much easier to transport it when I starting to build it. I will just go down and see if I have connections.
Grid power off. Then we can release the wind turbine. And we are back to battery power. Alright, finally all the modules are discharged, and now I can start to arrange the cell configuration. And here are my BMS. It's a Dolly 250 amps. I had this unit before and I am very pleased with it. And here is the Bluetooth dongle with the activation button on it. Det var då självaste
Okay, my friend has finally arrived. Going to try to push it up here. Okej, tar du tag där bak så... Ja, ja. Okay, here we have it. It's already hooked up to each other in parallel and connected to my inverter down in the basement, ready to use and store a lot of power for me. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video and hit the subscribe button down below there if you like this channel and will see more of me. Thanks for today. Bye.